I've happened to pop down to the motherland, Cornwall. Took up me Bezzy, lifelong friends since we were knee-high to a grasshopper. Dan the carpet man. And there's a shameless plug for carpet cleaning. If you want your carpet doing and you're anywhere in what, Cornwall, Southwest?
Anywhere in Cornwall.
Anywhere in Cornwall, ship-shape carpet cleaning, that's it, isn't it?
That's it, mate, yeah.
You got a website?
www.shipshapecornwall.com.
If you want your carpets doing, Dan's the man to do it. But he's taken me to this little hidden gem, which has been here just a short while now. Project 83 in Newquay. So how long have you been going?
So we've had the clothing side here for 5 years now, and then the sort of bar event space we've had, that's been 6 months now we've been running that. Fully licensed, food vendors, we get a pop-in barber on a bike night on a Thursday, so you can come and get everything done.
You've done first summer.
Done the first summer, this will be our first winter we're going into, so yeah, we've got music every weekend till middle of December at the minute. Doing movie nights, still keeping the bike nights on Thursday night. For all the hardcore riders that want to come out.
All through the winter?
Yeah, all through the winter. We're here, whatever the weather sort of thing.
There's so many will just bin it, won't they? As soon as the weather starts going, that's it.
Yeah, no, we've had quite a few reaching out that want to know if they've got somewhere to come, so yeah, we're here for them basically.
Yeah.
There's always music going on, always people about, and yeah, we're pretty much open all the time. Music can be there till 10:30, and then we normally shut at 11.
And you do a wicked breakfast.
And a wicked breakfast as well, yeah.
Just waiting for the sound guy, and I'm going to go and try and hassle the guy for the drum kit.
Drum kit's in the workshop. We sorted it yesterday for you.
Oh, sick. What? Just going to go down, and when they empty, I'll come back, and in about a half hour, I'll come back and we'll set it up. You do banging fucking coffee.
The diners didn't serve the lifestyle, I think.
Yeah,
like bobbers and chops and shit like that.
Gave you that destination to go and get fed and that, but we wanted to kind of offer a full destination where you could get as much as we can offer really. He took the garage on start of March this year. 3 weeks turned it around into a can bar because we couldn't get pumps in that. So we did first night of music on the March bank holiday. Then because we hadn't finished, I shut down again.
Yeah.
Getting the momentum going again just after a few weeks was pretty tough.
Yeah.
So yeah, now it's just like, let's just keep it going as much as we can.
It's not like just another bar that's opened in Newquay.
No, pleasure.
That'd be awesome. We'd make this a regular spot. Lovely. What's it? Street food, parties, beer, fully licensed bar.
Live bands at the weekend.
I mean, if you're in Newquay and wants to have a little bit of a good time and forget about the woes of life, then this is probably the place to go. If you've got a motorcycle or not, I would suggest you come down here and check it out. Very few places in the UK at the moment that I'd say you have to visit in your biker lifetime, put on your bucket list. This has to be the one in Cornwall that you go to, preferably with your motorcycle on a sunny day, with a few quid ready to buy some street food, spicy chicken burgers, then leave your bike somewhere and then get merrily drunk in the fully licensed bar.